Hello students and welcome to assignment number 3 in Google Drawings. We have already covered how to put shapes in and how to color them, and today what we're going to do is we're going to be making kind of a mirror image, and when we do that we're going to be working on copying, pasting, and flipping shapes either horizontally or vertically. So up here for our untiled drawing, we are going to label this practice our assignment 3 for Google Drawings, and then I want you to put your name in after this. So I'm just going to write your name here, and you are going to put your name in there so that I know who you are. After you have that typed in, you're going to go down here, and we are going to take actually a line. We're going to make a line, and when I click on the line here, I'm going to put one right down the middle of my page. So I can see here that my screen is about 10 inches wide. So here's the 5, that's about halfway. I'm just going to click and drag. If you hold the shift button down, it will let you make a straight line. We reviewed that last lesson. So we have our straight line that we've just made down the center of our page. Now what we're going to do is we're going to be working on making a mirror image. So you're going to go up here. You're going to be able to choose a shape. I am going to choose the triangle here. And when I choose the right triangle, I'm going to click and drag my triangle. So if I have a triangle here, I have it. I can change the color. And I can also change the border color. You guys know how to do this. And I can also change the thickness if I'd like. So now I have this shape here. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to copy this image. So if I have not clicked on the image, if I don't have it selected, you can see that there are no squares around the shape itself. When you click on the image, you can get the squares back that let you know it's selected. And then you can go up here to Edit, Copy, and you can go to Edit, Paste. And when you paste that, you will see that we now have 2. I'm going to paste it a second time, and I'm going to paste it a third time. So now I have 4 of the same shape. Now when I have 4 of the same shape, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go just have one of them selected. I'm going to go to Arrange, Rotate, and I'm going to say Flip Horizontal. When I flip it horizontal, you can see now that I have a shape that has been flipped. If I go here and I flip the shape, rotate, flip horizontal, or flip vertically is what I want to do. Here's the undo button. Flip vertically. And the last one I'm going to do is I'm actually going to be rotating this one. So I'm going to rotate clockwise 90 degrees. Oh, I'm going to rotate clockwise another 90 degrees. So now I have a shape in each and every direction. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of put these together so I have a shape here. And these are as close as I can get. Now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put a different shape in. So I'm going to go and choose another shape. Let's say I want to use maybe the diamond. Well, the diamond wouldn't be a great one to use. I'll use a trapezoid. So if I have my trapezoid here, I can choose my color. And I can choose my border color and the weight of my line. And again, I'm just going to copy and paste. I'm going to flip and rotate, and I'm going to be able to put this design all around the page again and kind of create a really neat design. I'm interested to see what you're all going to be able to create with your own imaginations. So again, I'm just going to copy. I'm going to go to Edit and Paste. I'm going to paste this a few times, and then I'm going to work on just going here to Arrange, Rotate, and I can flip horizontally if I'd like. Well, that's not going to make much of a difference, is it? and I can flip it vertically. So these two would be the same. These two I need to flip vertically. So I'm able to rotate, flip vertical, put it where it belongs. Go here, arrange, rotate, flip vertical, where I want. You'll notice that I get these red lines in here. Red lines mean that they're centered. It's centered along the bottom there. It's centered along the top. So I can tell that my shapes are all going to be centered there. And I'm going to continue to add more and more things to my paper. And as I do that, it's going to look like a mirror image, and it's really kind of neat. So I'm interested to see what you have done. When you are done with your assignment, please make sure that you share it with me and put a little message in there if you like to. Thank you.